we go to the swimming pool. Swimming pool. Cannot believe they have a swimming pool. Said I cannot believe that they have a swimming pool.
Turn right.
Swimming pool.
Not far away now. I see the water.
Oh my gosh, yeah, there's the water.
Very blue.
Very, very blue.
Alice is under it.
To be kind of careful because this rock obviously has some
Growth in it.
yeah, some growth, some algae. And it definitely wants us to know
I think Alice is on sponge.
that there's no lifeguard on duty.
Hey there.
Hello, how are you?
You're most welcome. There's a lizard over there.
What?
A lizard.
And there's Alice.
Little lizard.
A lizard.
It's a lizard for that little baby pool right there.
It's over here.
Is there a lizard here, sir?
No, that's what that little pool's for. It's for the lizard.
I thought it was a jacuzzi.
Where's it at?
He's got in a little hole there.
We've got lizards. Let's see. What? Is there a lizard in there? Is that the problem? Oh, it's very, very nice.
Do you see the lizard?
It looks like a steam room.
Yeah. We hit from
Yeah? It's a nice seating area. And last but not least, the toilets. Come with me. Do we want to go in? It's a shower, obviously. See the toilets on the other side. Like I said, these are makeshift. Just to kind of give you the feel and comfort of home, but like you're really not. There it is. Boo-wah. All right, people. See you soon.